Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is family and community. So lesson plan, introduction, types of a family, importance of a family, what is a family, family relationships and communities. Now, introduction. The family is the fundamental and most ancient unity in any society. Most of us live in family units. It fulfills needs and performs functions which are indispensable for the sustenance of the community and society, and it is the most important universal institution. The family की requirement हर जगह पे होती ही है. It is the basis of any community formation. Now, what is a family? A family is a group of two or more individuals that are related by marriage, birth or adoption and usually live together in the same household. According to social scientists, a family is the most basic social unit in human society. A family might consist of a married couple with or without children, one parent and their biological child or children, or a parent and their adopted children. Generally, a household is not considered to be a family when an individual lives alone or lives with non-relatives such as roommates. The size and members of a family members of a family vary between households. An immediate family consists of parents, children, siblings and spouses. Any extended family consists of grandparents, aunts, uncles, nieces, nephews and cousins. So basically एक family में आप parents, उनके बच्चे, then extended family होती है जिसमें uncles, aunts, nephews, niece ये सारे आ जाते हैं. Now let's see different types of family. Number one is nuclear family. Nuclear families, also known as elementary or traditional families, consist of two parents, usually married or common law, and their children. Nuclear families typically have one or more children. They may be biological or adopted, but the main idea is that the parents are raising the kids together in the family home. Nuclear families can be strong and successful, with both parents being great examples for their kids. These kids often have many advantages over other families with less, which can help them go ahead in life. However, like any family, nuclear families have their struggles to face. For example, if parents shut out grandparents and the extended families, the chances are that their support system will not be strong and getting through hard times can be challenging. The nuclear family छोटी family होती है जहाँ पे parents और उनके बच्चे रहते हैं. Then you have second, which is your joint family. Joint families, also known as extended families, are families with two or more adults or who are related through blood or marriage, usually along with the children. This often includes aunts, uncles, cousins or other relatives living under the same roof. Typically, extended families live together for social support and to achieve common goals. For example, parents may live with the children and the children's grandparents. This gives the family the ability to provide for the elderly, and in turn, the grandparents may be able to help with the child care while the parents are at work. फिर joint family आती है जिसमें आपके दो या दो से ज़्यादा adults भी रह सकते हैं. For example, your parents, your grandparents, they live with you. So this is kind of a joint family. Now, family relationships. Here are the relationships on the mother side. Mother's brother or mother's male cousin, uncle. Mother's brother's wife or mother's cousin's wife is known as aunt. Now, mother's sister or mother's female cousins are known as aunt, and mother's sister's husband or mother's cousin's husband is known as your uncle. जैसे चाचा, चाची, मौसी, मौसाजी, मामा, मामी उन्हें बोलते हैं. Now let's extract. Name of the relationship stays uncle or aunt whether mother's brother or sister is younger or older. Relations 2 generations older to you. Mother's father, maternal grandfather. Mother's father, maternal grandmother. Relations 3 generations older to you. Mother of your grandparent, great grandmother. Mother of your grandparent is your great grandfather. Now, here are the relationships on the father side. Father's brother or father's male cousin, uncle. Father's brother's wife or father's cousin's wife is known as aunt. Father's sisters or father's female cousin is known as your aunt, and father's sister's husband or father's cousin's husband is known as your uncle. Now, let's extract name of the relationship stays uncle or aunt whether father's brother or sister is younger or older. Now, relationships 2 generations older to you. Father's father, paternal grandfather. Father's mother, paternal grandmother. Relations 3 generations older to you. Mother of your grandparent, great grandmother. Father of your grandparent, great grandfather. Now let's see what is the importance of a family. In today's world, when everything is losing its meaning, we need to realize the importance of family more than ever. While the world is becoming more modern and advanced, the meaning of family and what stands for remains the same. अब इतने modernized world में family ही एक वो system होता है which anchors and supports you in thick and thin. Now, family, a synonym for trust, comfort, love, care, happiness, and belonging. Family is a relationship that we share from the moment we are born in this world. People that take care of us and help us grow are what we call the family. And they become lifelines for us to live. Family members have an important role in deciding an individual's success or failure in life, since they provide a support system and source of encouragement. It does not matter what kind of family one belongs to, it is all equal as long as they are caring and acceptance. You may be from a joint family, nuclear family, it is all the same. The relationships we have with our members make our family strong. We all have unique relations with each family member. In addition to other things, our family is the strongest unit in one's life. तो आप न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में है, जॉइंट फैमिली में है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. अगर आसपास सारे लोग केयरिंग हैं, that constitutes a good and strong family. Now, things that strengthens the family. A family is made strong through a number of factors. The most important one is, of course, love. You instantly think of unconditional love when you think of family. It is the first source of love you receive in your life. It teaches you the meaning of love, which you carry on forever in your heart. Secondly, we see that loyalty strengthens a family. When we have a family, you are devoted to them. You stick by them through the hard times and celebrate in their happy times. A family always supports and backs each other. They stand up for each other in front of a third party trying to harm them, providing their loyalty. तो पहले तरीके का प्यार जो कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस करता है वो अपनी फैमिली से ही करता है. सेकंड कम्स द लॉयल्टी. कोई तीसरा बंदा आके अगर आपकी फैमिली को कुछ बोलता है तो आप उनको डिफेंड और प्रोटेक्ट जरूर करते हैं. बोथ ऑफ दीज थिंग्स स्ट्रेंथन्स द फैमिली. Then comes the communities. Families are connected not only within themselves but also with other families and the people around them. Such a group of connected people may be called a community. There are other meanings of a community depending on the context. Members of a community can come together for various reasons, like celebrating festivals and organizing feasts, weddings and other events. In some villages, people come together to support each other with agricultural practices like land preparation, sowing and harvesting. Over time, communities often agree upon some practices or the use of shared natural wealth and sources such as water, grazing lands and forest produce. This is the case with many tribal communities. To some extent, this remains the case in village communities in rural India today. Such practices, we may call them rules, though they were rarely written down, have provided communities a secure access to resources. But it also means that all families and individuals within the community have specific duties to perform. Otherwise, community will not function smoothly. तो बहुत सारी फैमिलीज एक साथ रहती हैं, कम्युनिटी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कर लेती हैं, आप साथ में मिलते हो, पार्टीज करते हो, वेडिंग्स में पार्टिसिपेट करते हो. ऑल दीज फॉर्म द बेसिस फॉर योर community. Now, a case study. Parks are an essential part of any neighborhood, whether a child's playground or a nature preserve. These areas provide a free option for families and individuals to break from modern society. Unfortunately, not everyone feels the same way about protecting the health of these areas. The litter looks dirty and can harm the animals who live in these areas and the park themselves. The best thing about this volunteer opportunity is how easily it is to do. You don't need a large group of helpers and you don't need a lot of planning. Just grab a garbage bag and head to your nearest park. There will likely be plenty for you to pick up and no one will give you a hard time doing it. Your local non-profit organization will often have such volunteering opportunities listed on your websites. अब अलग अलग आपके एनजीओज होते हैं जो आपकी डे टू डे लेवल पे आपके आसपास के एरिया को साफ रखते हैं और सिर्फ सोशल अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए, लोगों के बेटरमेंट के लिए ये काम करते हैं. Now, making difference. Charity is an act of kindness that can make a significant difference in people's lives. It is a way to express empathy and compassion towards others and to contribute to the betterment of society. Through donating money, volunteering, fundraising and advocacy, individuals can support various causes and help make the world a better place. तो जितना ज़्यादा आप contribute करते हो society में, जितना ज़्यादा आप kind रहते हो लोगों की तरफ, उतना ज़्यादा ये दुनिया अच्छी जगह बन जाती है रहने के लिए. It becomes a better place to live in. Sudha Murty. Sudha Murty is a well-known author, philanthropist and social worker. She had been the chairman of the Infosys Foundation, which works towards providing education and healthcare to the underprivileged. The foundation has set up many hospitals and has provided medical aid to people in need. Every philanthropist has a soft corner for one issue. For me, it is health because my father was a doctor. सुधा मूर्ति भी ऐसी ही एक philanthropist है, यानी कि business woman तो है ही, लेकिन अपना जो पैसा है वो दूसरों की मदद के लिए भी यूज़ करती हैं. और उन्होंने बोला भी था, हर philanthropist या हर philanthropist के मन में किसी ना किसी चीज़ के लिए एक soft corner रहता है जिसके लिए वो काम करते हैं. मेरे मन में health है क्योंकि मेरे पापा डॉक्टर थे. Then comes Narayan Murthy, Sudha Murthy's husband. Narayan Murthy is the founder of Infosys, a multinational information technology company. He is also known for his philanthropic work through the Infosys Foundation. The foundation works to support the underprivileged communities in India. The foundation's mission is to create opportunities, strive for more equitable society, and work in areas that are often overlooked. A clear conscience is the softest pillow in the world. अगर आपका मन साफ है, इसका मतलब आप जिंदगी में सब कुछ हासिल कर ही लेंगे. Softest pillow in the world. Then comes Dr. Devi Shetty. Dr. Devi Shetty is a renowned cardiac surgeon, the founder of Narayan Health, a chain of hospitals in India. He is also known for his philanthropic work through the Narayan Hridayalaya Foundation. The foundation worked towards providing healthcare to the underprivileged. The foundation has set up many hospitals and has provided medical aid to people in India. I believe you should never rely only on charity. तो इन्होंने भी हार्ट सर्जन ये थे और लोगों का फ्री में इलाज करने के लिए इन्होंने अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल्स को लेकर आ. Now try this and these questions you have to answer on your own. Now new types of communities have also emerged in the last 30 or 40 years. Residents' welfare associations in many urban areas are examples of communities that make their own rules and regulations. Those could be rules about waste management, cleanliness of common areas, taking care of pets, and so on. People living in the community participate in making such rules and regulations. Now, communities are ultimately interdependent. The same residents' welfare associations, for instance, will depend on the trading community for supplies and also on municipal workers to handle waste. In our complex societies, everyone depends on a number of other people and communities. There are millions of communities around the world of all the different shapes, sizes, and types and legacies. Despite the vast range of communities and the even wider range of members that participate in a community, most communities can be categorized into a certain type. Here are some examples of communities which vary in size and type. तो community में आप अगर कोई अपना NGO भी किसी ने चला रखा है या association है, still वो किसी ना किसी और पे dependent रह जाता है थोड़े बहुत काम करने के लिए. For example, you have volunteer community, a group of people who work together for the greater good. RSPCA, Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, and homeless shelters are good examples of volunteer communities. खुद से काम करते हैं अपनी मर्जी से. Then comes religious community, people who worship together and share a belief system. This might be a Hindu community, a Christian community, or a Sikh community. Then comes the sports community. Team players, fans, family members, and coaches can all be part of the sports community. There are over 28,000 community sport clubs in India. Whether there are 20 members or thousands, sporting clubs are a great way to form and maintain a sense of community. Then you have the vegan community, joined by a shared belief in not eating animal products and reducing environmental impact. Vegan communities are growing worldwide, perhaps one of the most popular in PETA, but there are plenty of vegan communities in India alone. Then lastly is your neighborhood community. Neighborhood communities are formed between people based on proximity and beliefs or attitudes about the locality. For example, neighborhood watch is formed on the basis of having a shared location and wanting to maintain their safety and comfort. तो आपके पास अलग अलग तरीके की community आती है, volunteer community, sporting community, neighborhood community, जिनका collectively aim एक रहता है. Now try this and these questions you have to answer on your own. Now glossary, family, it is a group of two or more individuals that are related together. Community is a group of connected people for various reasons. Charity, it is an act of kindness that makes a significant difference in people's lives. Volunteer community, a group of people who work together for the greater good. Let's recall family, a group of two or more individuals that are related by marriage or birth. There are two types of families, nuclear family and joint family. Nuclear family includes parents and their children. Joint family includes parents, children and grandparents. Then comes communities. It is a group of connected people of various reasons such as festivals, weddings, organizing feasts, etc. In a compressed society, everyone depends on a number of popular communities. Volunteer, vegan, sports, religious and neighborhood communities are some examples of types of communities. Now let's do exercise. Darken the correct circle in the OMR sheet. Mother of your grandparent is called your great-grandmother. Fill in the blanks. Joint family is also known as a collective family or a very big family, huge family. Write T for true and F for false. So there are millions of communities around the world. That is correct. Match the following. Column A, uncle. Uncle कौन होंगे आपके? Mother's brother can be your uncle. Now answer the following questions in few words. You get unconditional love from family. Now what is a family? A family is a union of your different kinds of relations जहाँ से आपको loyalty और charity अलग अलग चीज़ें सीखने को मिलती हैं. Now answer the following questions in detail. Explain the importance of family. फैमिली की इंपॉर्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. लव पहले तरीके का फैमिली में सीखते हैं, लॉयल्टी आप वहीं सीखते हैं, यू रेज योर सेल्फ देयर. आपको बहुत अलग अलग तरीके की चीज़ें सीखने को फैमिली में ही मिलती हैं. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स यू गेट सपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर फैमिली ऑल्सो. Now students, with that we're done with this chapter. Please go through the entire chapter once again properly, and the rest of the exercise questions please do it yourselves.